What's up, everybody? I'm over here in Winter Haven, California. Got a little mom and pop shop right here for your aerial fireworks. Got your rockets, Roman candles. Got some firecrackers in the back. Shogun, smoke balls, Saturn missiles. 300 shot.
These are really good, but they're only
Let's make our way down here. We got some like 500 gram cakes. Armed and Dangerous. Armed Forces.
She's got to mark the Iowa. Just because they're like, people like, reserve those, you know.
Atlantis, Light Off.
That's
Another rocket.
So I said, shoot, because yeah, that one's really bad though.
Crocodile Killer, or Killer Crocodile, my bad.
Yeah, because I know everybody says they're
Ready to Rumble.
free, you know, so yeah.
200 gram cakes. Buzzkill.
Oh yeah? Damn, get his phone number.
For Your Eyes Only.
Yeah. Yeah, that's on those
Now you got your ball shells.
especially on those are the ones.
6 pack.
Yeah, you guys got hooked up that way too, huh?
Yeah, they got these ones that...
And we're coming from Redlands, California, down to Winter Haven. That's still Southern California in Imperial County. My bad. More ball shells. Smart Tune. Smart Bomb. My bad. Noabs. Fully Loaded. Nishikis.
Yeah, 1-3 would be legalized.
Yeah.
Got some more 500 gram cakes. Heavy hitter. Armed Forces. Hard and Heavy. Got some mortars here. Assassin. Commander in Chief. KO Shells Knockout. Assassin. Kiss of Death.
I think you put that one, put 1-1 too, or 1.
Cuckoo.
Yeah, you meant like the Mega Man and stuff.
Yeah, 1-1.
Yeah.
Yeah, because...
Here we got
But
a rack of
you
6.
don't want to get hot.
Tough guy.
Under the radar right now.
Hey, I bet, because I saw it was like California.
We're basically a plug, basically, is how I feel.
Come on, bro.
1 up cake. That's a good cake.
It's just not out of the garage. Or out of the trunk, you know what I mean? I do the same thing.
More
I'm
Noabs.
taking something to Phoenix right now.
Cherry Bomb.
How much is your salmon?
Firecrackers, of course. Hello.
Oh, there's one from Redlands.
Oh, I think.
Hi, how you doing? Marla, that's she's the owner.
Nice. Tomato. Shockwave. 500 gram cakes. Fire and Ice. Mission to Mars.
You guys take ATM right?
Yeah, we take card too. Okay.
Zombie War.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
I know I was
Loading it. Yeah, just ran.
wondering if there was another way out of here.
Well, guys, I'll give you a quick walkthrough real quick. Gonna do some shopping.
Goes in and out from that place.
One of the
Go ahead and shop a little bit, get some stuff. Just thought I'd show you guys what's up. Just a quick little walkthrough. And thank you for watching and have a good day.